In this video, I'm going to show you how to add bullet points in PDF-XChange Editor. Now, there's actually no tool to do this inside the PDF-XChange Editor itself. However, there's workarounds, and I'm going to show you these right now. So, the first way you can do this is if you have a numeric keyboard, which means you have like the big keyboard, maybe on a laptop, or you could have like just the keyboard itself, and then on the right-hand side, you have those numbers. So, from 0 to 9, if you have that, then you're good to go. You can do it this way. I'm going to show you right now. So, first, you must have some text. For example, I have some number 1, number 2, and number 3 over here. And let's say I want to add bullet points here in front of all of them. So all you have to do is position yourself over here, and we're going to create a symbol, which is basically the bullet point. So to do this, you have to hold down your Alt key on your keyboard, and then you want to press those numeric numbers on the right-hand side. So hold down your Alt key, and then press this sequence. So do 0, 1, 4, 9. And when you do this, you release your Alt key, and as you can see, you're going to get the bullet point over here. Now again, if I do this over here, Alt 0, 1, 4, 9, and then I do a space bar, there we go. It's basically going to create me these bullet points. So that's the first way, and then of course you can just copy them and use them wherever you want. That's the first way you can do this. Or the second way, if that for some reason doesn't work for you, you could also go to something like this website over here, where you can basically generate bullet points. You can select whichever one you want, like this one, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and type in number 1, number 2, and as you can see on the right hand side, it's generating me the bullet points over here. Now I just went to Google and typed in bullet point generator to get this, and you can then copy this result or copy it like this, and you could just close this down, go back into your PDF-XChange Editor, paste it, and there we go, you have yourself your bullet point. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.